Hey everybody, Rick here from the Fultz Bailey Model Railroad. Back to you with another build. This one's actually kind of cool. Someone sent me a kit and asked me to build it for them. So it's kind of a commission job, I guess. I don't know. But let's go take a look over at the workbench and see what we got. All right, if you guys notice, I've got a new view. I got another webcam here. So now you can see me up in the corner while I'm down here doing this. The only problem is when I look down here, all you see is top of my head. So I apologize for that. But let's look at the kit. Over here, we've got the Model Power Valley Lumberyard. There's no model number or anything for this kit. But if you do notice, it's an N scale kit, right? All right. So it's a lumber yard. Now I got to looking at the box. There's also no date on the box anywhere. Oh, I found a number 1565. There we go. Try and get you out of the glare. I did notice on the back here, it does say exclusive US distributor, Model Rectifier Corporation. And if you guys know who that is, that's MRC. They also make a DCC controller. And down here at the very bottom in some fine print, it says made in West Germany. So that's kind of cool. It's a European kit. So it's got a lot of detail on here. It does come with some accessories, some signs, some lumber, doors. It is two-story building. The roof is kind of cool. I'm not sure if you can see the detail in there, but let's open it up and see. It does say that it is molded in 6 colors. I couldn't find 6 colors when I opened this up, but let's see if we can do this together. So a lot of parts here. Now, obviously, the roof is a gray color. We'll call that color 1. Now, this here's the bottom base. Kind of, I guess, looks different. It's a lighter gray, if you want to call that a second color. There's the accessories come in a different gray, which is a lighter gray than the others. So I guess that's color 3. Here's some walls. These look like some bracing that might go like to hold up the second floor. Side walls there. This here, I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out once we get through the instructions. But let's say that's color 4. That's color 5, right? All right. So here we've got some other parts. This looks like it might be the actual second floor, maybe, or maybe that's a wall. I'm not sure. Some other walls, but you notice the color between here and there are different. So I guess that's our 6 colors. Here we've got some, looks like 2x4s, possibly. And it looks like this kit was kind of split apart a little bit. Some more accessories. And then we come down to, oh, there's some decals. Some decals there. I guess you get to glue on. Just kind of cool. And then, of course, you've got your instruction sheet that gives you play-by-play. Oh, double-sided. Look at that. Oh, look, it's like an IKEA, like IKEA instructions. It's just pictures and numbers. That's pretty cool. All right. Shows you how to stack your lumber. Awesome. So let's go over to main cam for a minute. So the kit looks pretty cool. I can't wait to get started on it. I got to do paint primer. I do have a set of instructions that I can't show you because I don't want to give it all away. And this, of course, in my true fashion, this build is going to have a different name. It's not going to be the Valley Lumber Company or Yard. It's going to have a cool name. Hopefully a cool name. But I've got some instructions and of colors and schemes and things that the owner wants. So let me get over here and make some coffee, get to doing some primer, and then I'll get back to you with the next steps. All right, Rail Riders. So I made some progress on this lumber building. That's not going to be a lumber building. But I got some walls up. I got some paint on. Let's go over to the workbench and I'll show you exactly what we've done. Hold on. All right, so here we are at the desk, and this is where I've gotten so far. I've got some paint on the building. I've got part of the building together. The flooring's been painting. Now, it's supposed to be a lumber mill, according to the box. So I got some sawdust down there. It's a couple different colors of yellow to make that look happen. White walls were requested for the building there, and yeah, I still have to do a rusty roof. There's a couple different panels that need to go on the different sides of the building, so I'm going to do all that at once. The next step is attaching the tower to the building. It has its own paint scheme, so I've got to get to that also. But yeah, good things are coming. Stay tuned. Update soon. All right, Rail Riders, so strange thing happened. I got to working, and I kept on working, and I finished the build. So the update is, here's the end of it. Let's jump over to the desk, and you'll see what I've done. All right, gang, so this is going to be the Bailey Quality Toothpick Factory. You can see here, I've done some weathering on it, made it dirtied up. This building has a story, which I will tell you later when it gets to its owner. I do have one finishing touch that I'm going to put on here, but I'm going to wait and do that and send it to the shipper with that in mind, or with that part completed, so you guys could see it on the reveal. I weathered up the roof to make it look like a rusty roof. It's got, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 colors in there. Gave it a rusty staircase. There's a story behind the old looking building and the new looking building, which you'll hear later. Yeah, it was requested that I put my name on it, so this is going to be the Bailey Quality Toothpick Factory. Got the doors done. Got these outcroppings here on the overhangs. I don't know what you want to call them. Over here on the side and the back done, and an oil tanker that came with it also in the back. And you'll notice up here there's some steel piping. There's the escape ladder with the roof hatch. And then over here, I actually wasn't sure what this was, and I had to look it up. But this here is a crane that goes back and forth that I guess loads stuff into these bays here. Or at least that's what I think it is. But yeah, let's go back over to main cam. Light turned off. So hey guys, that's it. You've seen the lumber yard or lumber mill turned into a toothpick factory. I really hope the owner likes it. You're seeing this video after the reveal, so you know before I do. So let me get this thing boxed up, put some finishing touches on it, get it shipped out to the owner. And I hope you like the build. I got more coming. I got lots of kits coming. I got lots of kits here. I just keep buying kits, and I don't know why. And hey, check out this video over here. That way it shoots up. Check out that video over there. There's a playlist right down there, and right below me there's that subscribe button. Thanks.